trying to listen. I'm trying to figure out what I've been missing. I listen for the thunder, I listen for the night bird, I listen for a melody, I listen for the right words. Take me down, take me in, turn me around, bring me home again. I've been waiting to see if I'll ever return to what I used to be. 'Cause I was a wild one, the colors of a moth wing. I was the summer sun, I was heat lightning, and I was a cold rain. I was a moonflower, I was a summer night, I was a meteor shower. Take me down, take me in, turn me around, and bring me home again. I've been waiting to see if I'll ever return to what I used to be. Now I'm sweeping out the cupboards, trapping all the mice, shaking out the bugs in the middle of the night, digging through the boxes, pushing round the dirt, sorting through the papers. I'm still looking for the words. Take me down, take me in, turn me around, bring me home again. I've been waiting to see if I'll ever return to what I used to be. Will I ever return to what I used to be? The sun slips over the edge of the reservoir dam. Your hand slips into mine, fingers intertwine, waiting in silence for a question. Waiting in silence for a question. Dragonfly skips the water like a skipping stone. Thoughts skip across my mind, the water and the shoreline collide, floating on a wave of anticipation. Floating on a wave of anticipation. Cottonwood leaves shaking in the breeze, I'm standing here, shaking in my knees. Cottonwood leaves shaking in the breeze, I'm shaking. Swallow skims the surface of a quiet lake. We skim through a book about birds, take a deep breath and then you turn, scanning the sky for a hesitation. Scanning the sky for a hesitation. Cottonwood leaves shaking in the breeze, I'm standing here, shaking in my knees. Cottonwood shaking in the breeze, I'm shaking. Cottonwood leaves shaking in the breeze, I'm standing here shaking in my knees. Cottonwood leaves shaking